afternoon and welcome at Schiphol Airport. Could you please remain seated? You may now switch on your phone and other devices. As soon as the fasten seatbelt sign is been switched off, you may collect your belongings from the luggage bins. Be careful as items may have moved during the flight and could fall out. We wish you a pleasant stay or a good onward journey and thank you from all crew working on this flight. And we look forward to you on board KLM again soon. And I also have some gate information for passengers with a connecting flight. Passengers traveling to Marseille, you have a new departure time. Your new departure time will be 14:15 and your gate will be B32 Bravo 30. Passengers traveling to Oslo, your gate will be C8 Charlie 08. Passengers traveling to Toulouse, your gate will be B18 Bravo 18. Passengers traveling to Bilbao, your gate will be B34 Bravo 34. Passengers traveling to Mexico, your gate will be E6 Echo 06. Passengers traveling to Paris, your gate will be C7 Charlie 07. And passengers traveling to Bergen, your gate will be D68 Delta 68. For all the other passengers with a connecting flight, please check the screens inside the terminal building.